In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in TradingView. First, open up your chart and select the asset you want to trade. This can be a stock, crypto, or any other instrument. For this example, I'm connected to the paper trading account, but the process is the same if you're connected to a live broker. On your chart, click Trade and a trading panel will open on the right-hand side. From here, select Order. You'll see fields for price, shares, and order type. Look for the stop loss option. Enable the stop loss, and then set the parameters that fit your strategy. Enable the stop loss and then set the parameters that fit your strategy. You can define it by price level or ticks. Once everything is set, click Buy or Sell, and your stop loss will automatically be applied to the position. And that's it. That's how you set a stop loss in TradingView. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TradingView guides.